Well, I think Hong Kong is in a good shape now, and then although the COVID seems to have a second wave, but right now normally the IPO will be due sometime lag behind. So that's why a lot of company has already been prepared in the past couple of months, and then now they are ready to go. And then you can see the recent IPOs results are very good. Some of them are above water, and then with a reasonable gain of around 20% for the first day of trade. And so that's why a lot of companies are rushing to get the liquidity, get the cash to prepare for the worst situation of economy to come. And also some government or also some investors in mainland China also flooding to Hong Kong and then see that there are opportunities and then that's make the market is so hot at the moment.
Okay, so that makes sense. Take advantage of the times now in case perhaps sentiment takes a turn for the worse later on. I also wonder how the political environment is playing into this because we have seen some secondary listings in the Hong Kong market as well. Is it your expectation that continues and perhaps that companies who were previously looking at the US will just look to Hong Kong now for their main listing?
You can see that in general, the second half seems to be getting better. And then in particular with in late June, there are two big companies that are already quite mature in US and then come back to Hong Kong for listing. And so with that trend in mind, and also with a lot of companies that are getting prepared, we can see that the second half seems to be even in a better shape than the first half. Of course, we need to wait for the recent COVID's rebound in Hong Kong, and also some political situation in Hong Kong may affect some atmosphere to a certain extent. But on the other side is that people in the market think that the Beijing government will try to help Hong Kong and then provide more liquidity and also ask more Chinese company to buy the IPOs in Hong Kong. So that's why you can see the northern side of money, the Stock Connect flow to Hong Kong in recent months seems to be in a good shape. And so we have high hope that the Hong Kong market in the second half will be reasonably good. And then we stick to the original plan for forecast of around 220 billion Hong Kong dollars as the total IPO process for the year. And we have a chance to be top three.